accelerating a car, the front typically rises and the rear lowers. The angle change of the vehicle in a side view is called the pitch angle. Welcome to EulSeoggy Ko's Vehicle Dynamics. We will begin the first short on pitch geometry when a rear-wheel drive vehicle accelerates. For a detailed explanation of the content here, please refer to E0081 Pitch Motion Part 1, Rear-Wheel Drive Squat. If you search for EulSeoggy Ko on the web, you can watch videos covering all knowledge of vehicle dynamics. The amount of rear ride height reduction during acceleration of a rear-wheel drive vehicle is called squat. By changing the mounting angles of the suspension links, the squat during acceleration of a rear-wheel drive vehicle can be reduced to zero. By changing the mounting angles of the suspension links, the pitch angle can be reduced to zero when a rear-wheel drive vehicle accelerates. Let's examine how the pitch angle changes depending on the suspension mounting angle. In the side view, draw a straight line parallel to the upper arm and a straight line parallel to the lower arm. The point where these two lines intersect is called the virtual reaction point SR. Additionally, let's denote the line connecting the road contact center B of the drive wheel and the virtual reaction point SR as line BS. Line BS is the imaginary line of action of the driving force component acting on the suspension links. Draw a straight line passing through the vehicle's center of gravity CG and parallel to the ground. Next, draw a straight line perpendicular to the road surface from the front wheel contact center A. Let the point where these two lines meet be point G, and let the straight line connecting point B and point G be line BG. Let's define point P as the point located twice the height of the center of gravity on a straight line perpendicular to the road surface, passing through the front wheel contact center A, and let's define the straight line connecting point B and point P as the line BP. The pitch angle changes when a rear-wheel drive vehicle accelerates depending on the location of the virtual reaction point SR. The pitch angle can be explained in a total of 7 categories. The first is when the virtual reaction point is below the ground, the second is when it is on the ground, the third is when it is between the road surface and line BG, the fourth is when it is at line BG, the fifth is when it is between line BG and line BP, the sixth is when it is at line BP, and finally, the seventh is when it is above line BP. We will analyze all of these cases. We assume that acceleration is the same in all cases. In the next shorts, we will show these 7 variations in pitch angle. Please continue watching.